Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get mods manually for Blade and Sorcery on the Oculus Quest 2. So the first requirement you're going to need is you're going to need CX File Explorer. And that's really the only requirement you need. I might make a video on that in the future, but anyways, let's just get into it. Also, just as a disclaimer, the reason why I'm choosing Nexus mods and not mod.io is because of the new U12 mod menu where mod.io is integrated, but Nexus mods, in my personal opinion, has better mods. So basically, if you scroll down, Blade and Sorcery will be right there. There's another one, Blade and Sorcery Nomad, which is the one I'm using, but Blade and Sorcery, the original one, usually has better mods, and also, sometimes it works, sometimes some mods don't. Usually it'll say not working for the Nomad one. So, let's say I wanted to get the firearm AI fix for U12. You go to the manual section, you just click manual. You click slow download, and there will be a timer, usually for about 5 seconds. It's going to download. You're going to see this right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click App Library. You're going to click on Search Apps. If your Oculus is updated, you should have to do this. You go to Unknown Sources, CX File Explorer. Let me just expand. Let's wait for it to load. Then you go to Downloads. Then you go into the zip folder that you downloaded. So like, for example, I'm using Firearm AI Fix, so you find that right there. Click onto it, aka go into it, press and hold on this, click Copy, click Back, click Home, click Main Storage, Android, Data. Now you're just going to have to find com.warpfrog.blade and sorcery right here. Click in it. Click Files. Click Mods. And then just click Paste. Now, that is basically it. That's like basically all you need to do. These are all my mods right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.